Plania AI is an incredibly powerful tool that just hit the market. And if you're looking to stay ahead in the AI software space, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this latest release. Whether you're new to AI or looking to streamline your workflow, by the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether Plania AI deserves a spot in your toolbox. First, Plania AI's real strength lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Its user interface is designed to be intuitive. So even if you're new to AI or just looking for a faster way to get things done, you can dive in without spending hours learning how it works. This is something many new AI tools struggle with, but Plania has nailed it. Now, let's talk about speed. One of the most impressive features of Plania AI is its efficiency. Whether you're processing data, generating content, or automating tasks, it works much faster than many older platforms. You won't waste time waiting for results, and that alone can save hours of your day. But what sets Plania apart isn't just its speed, it's how accurate and reliable the output is. Whether you're using it for customer service automation, content generation, or social media scheduling, it consistently delivers high-quality results. Another major plus is its versatility. Plania AI can be used across a variety of industries, whether you're in marketing, sales, content creation, or even customer service. It's flexible enough to handle everything from generating detailed reports to automating routine emails. If you're in digital marketing, this software is going to become your new best friend. Now, one of the things I really appreciate about Plania AI is its integration capabilities. It connects smoothly with other popular software, meaning you don't have to worry about silos in your workflow. For example, if you're already using tools like Google Analytics, CRM software, or social media schedulers, Plania plays well with these, allowing you to seamlessly pull and push data where you need it. Let's talk pricing. Many AI tools on the market can burn a hole in your pocket, but Plania AI offers a really accessible pricing model, especially for businesses just getting started with AI. It's affordable while still offering top-tier functionality, and you can even try it for free by using the link below. That's a huge win for anyone hesitant to commit to a new software. Another important point, Plania AI offers excellent support. For something as complex as AI, knowing that you have access to a dedicated support team can make all the difference. Whether you need troubleshooting or simply want to get the most out of the software, they've got your back. The resources, tutorials, and customer service are all top-notch. Finally, if you're wondering whether Plania AI is worth the investment, I'd say this. If you're looking to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and keep up with the latest in AI technology, Plania is a solid choice. And if you're just starting out, it's one of the easiest tools to get up to speed with. No matter your business size or industry, Plania AI's robust features and ease of use can help you scale smarter. To summarize, Plania AI is fast, versatile, easy to use, integrates well with other software, and offers a pricing model that works for both individuals and businesses. You can try it completely free from the first link below, and after trying thousands of AI software, I can confidently say this is one you don't want to miss. If you're serious about leveraging AI to make your business or personal projects more efficient, Plania AI might be exactly what you need. And remember, after you've checked out Plania AI, I've got my top recommended AI software linked in the description below that you can try for free. I've tested thousands, and these are the ones that really stand out.